Hey guys, how's it going? So we're gonna go over today Replo and just setting it up. Um, a lot of brands, e-commerce brands on Shopify will know about Replo, but there's still many people who don't know about it. So Replo is basically it's what you need if you're planning to build customized pages on your Shopify or build optimized pages or high converting pages. It's going to be challenging to do that within your Shopify theme natively. So that's where Replo comes in. So to set it up, it's very easy. I currently have multiple accounts, but basically you just click here, install, you follow the instructions, whatnot. You click install and then you follow the instructions. And then it's very simple. It'll connect to your Shopify. Very easy to do that. Now, when it comes to pricing, they have a few plans. So for small businesses and businesses just getting onto Replo, start with the basic plan. So you don't need the standard or growth, just start with the basic $99 a month. That'll get you up to 10 pages, which is more than enough. And yeah, the reviews are great. And yeah, see all pricing options. We go here. Yeah, you want to start on $99 a month. 10 pages, standard then is 25. Replo AI, if you have a designer like me, you don't need AI. So it's good, but it doesn't get you all the way there. Then you got growth custom. So a lot of businesses, especially if you're under 10, 20K a month, you're not even gonna need more than the standard plan. So yeah, this is it. Very simple to set it up, and happy to answer any more questions if you have on adding Replo to your Shopify.